Hello. In this short video, you will learn how to handle filers in your department who move from one position that is required to file a Form 700 to another position in your department that's also required to file a Form 700. First, let's locate the filer. Go to Filer Search, and we're going to look for my filer called Test McTest. So we can see that their current position is listed here as an auditor in the Ethics Commission. When we want to transfer positions, we click Action. And you'll notice that there's this option here, transferring to a department or position with identical COI code. This means, is this new position also listed in the Conflict of Interest Code and therefore required to file a Form 700? Click the transfer button. Now again, we're getting this reminder message. Transferring a filer to a new position covered by the old position's conflict of interest codes means that the filer is not required to file a new assuming or leaving office requirement. This is because technically under the law, they actually haven't left city service. They are continuing their service. Therefore, they will simply continue filing annual statements each year per usual. Click the box to confirm and then proceed to final step. Select your department from the drop-down. We're going to have this person still remain at the Ethics Commission. And now we're going to choose their new position. So instead of auditor, perhaps they are now a campaign finance officer. Click Submit. Close the window. So let's take a look now at what the filer dashboard looks like. The old position is now colored in gray, and the date left box actually lets us know that there's been a transfer, and it has recorded the date of the transfer. Now, one thing to notice is that in this new position, you'll notice that there isn't a date started that's been recorded. So just for good record keeping, we advise adding a note that indicates the start date of the new position and the end date of the old position.